Mr. Physical Leslie.
Well, I don't know. Maybe he sounds like a little baby. Thank goodness I'm not there.
Now he wants to have sex with my sister and my mother and me too. That's what you get for one of those D-real customers. Yeah, that's what they're like. Safety first while you're rolling straws. It's the most embarrassing. Yeah, but this would be contacted me and talking about it. Just go do all the videos, get all the pictures, store the stuff, go and walk up the sidewalk. Don't do anything destructive at all whatsoever. Knock on the door, introduce yourself and what your problem is with them about being a spider box and how disrespectful they are on the radio. Have a nice little talk with them. Back to the bench, safety first. In the same city would be like a neighbor. Yeah, it'd be like the same kind of person that throws her garbage over there, over the fence and leaking oil and he brings over the front yard, right? Burning garbage and rubber is coming in your window. It's no different than a spider box. They're very disrespectful people in many ways. Back to the bench and safety first. Go take care of the business. You're welcome, man. There's only so many of them, They thought that they're a teeny matter. They're like the trash of the community. They're always on a splatter box. I mean, they got no dignity, no integrity. They're on a splatter box. Hey, chicken, man. Thanks, but every time I get to talk to you, I get to get back to the bench, take a break. Hey, Mr. Chicken Man in Carolinas, I appreciate you stepping in here good plain clean style. Hope you're having a beautiful day, man, Mr. Chicken Man in the Carolinas. God bless and mind yours. If we don't get to talk again, I hope you have a beautiful Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Your turn, man. On the mail, Mr. Chicken Man. Hey, man, big old handshake. Forget the four fingers and the thumb. I'm an addict guy. I got the beady eyes, man. Hey, Chicken Man, I ain't got the strongest grip anymore, but I still got a good grip. I'm one of those eye-to-eye kind of guys. Big old handshake. I appreciate you, man. Thank you. I'm going to do the best I can to have a wonderful Christmas and a prosperous New Year as well. The top side of North Carolina, Mr. Chicken Man. Good day. God bless. We're gone. Bye-bye.